You are going to love the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, power windows, security system, electronic stability control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.